What's going on, guys? I'm simply turning math ideally into like how I'm gonna get my dream car. I'm literally just using math, what they taught me in seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th grade. Like school is useful. I'm using math to actually, you know, see how I can get my dream car. Um, but let me show you guys exactly what I'm going for. So basically, this is ideally what I'm trying to get, something like this. They're not all $70,000, but they're around there. So let's just say 70,000 is the target. Like that's what we're trying to get, $70,000. Let's see how long it'll take us to actually get 70,000. So let's do okay, $70,000. I think I already have the calculator here, but I'm gonna just do it for you guys right here. So $70,000. Um, what we need. So say we're trying to get that in 1 month. Say we're trying to get 70,000. Um, how many clients will we need to actually get 70,000? First, we gotta know what are we charging. So say we're charging, let's just say 2,500, pretty much. Let's just say 2,500 equals one client. It couldn't be more. Let's just say 2,500. So you got to do 70,000 divided by 2,500. I can't do that in my head. That's why I have a calculator here. So this is what we want. We want to get $70,000 a month, and we say we're charging 2,500 right there. So we need 28 clients to get $70,000. So 28 clients in 30 days. We're not gonna do 30 days. That's kind of crazy to sign 20 clients in 30 days. So we need 28 clients. Okay. So 28 clients in 30 days. And it doesn't need to be 30 days. Let's just do 28 divided by 2. That is 14. Yep, that's 14. So 14 clients a month. This is very much doable. Now, I don't know who's signing 28 clients one single month. So let's just say 14. Or let's keep it at 28. 448. You see that right there? We need 448 daily inputs needed. So outreach of 448. So we need 448. Oh my god, can I scroll? So we need 448 outreach. Get ourselves out there. This is what we need, 448. And out of those 448, we need 224 new calls. That's what we need. So we need 224 new calls. We are not getting that in 1 month. 224 new calls. So that's calls. This is sales calls, by the way. With that being said, our close rate is 25%. Let's just say it's 25%. So showed call needed 122. So 112, I mean. So 112 actually show out of this 224. So 112 calls per month. 112 calls per month. And we're closing at 25%, we're closing 28. So that's $70,000 right there. Out of that, we close 28 closed. That's 70,000. So say we're just took us 1 month. In 1 month we could get 70,000. Ideally we close 28. But we're not doing that in 1 month. Let's just actually be realistic here. Um, so let's say, I mean, this is realistic, but who's taking that many calls? I'll need other people that actually take calls. Like, I'm gonna be killing myself. Um, but this is doable. Like, the outreach is so doable. You just get 5 cold callers, each of them doing 100 calls, 500 calls. You do a call yourself. 600 crawls, it's impossible not to get it now. But let's just say it was 2 months. So 14 clients signed every 2 months. So 14 clients every month, not 2 months, every month. So that would be 224 divided by 2. 224 divided by 2. That's 112. 112. Oh, that was the one right here. So 112. We'd actually need 112. 112 divided by 2. So 112 divided by 2. That's 56. 20% of 56. So 56 new calls. 56 shows actually. Showed calls the month. This is more realistic. 56 new showed. And then with that being said, 56 new showed. We closed 14 out of that. 14 clients. And 14 clients time is 2,500. That is what? 14 times 2,500. That equals 35,000. Exactly. So 35,000 1 month. So in 2 months, realistically, we could actually get this. In 2 months, like, we can actually get this. And this just shows, like, exactly every single thing that you're looking for, every goal that you have set in mind. Literally just have a calculator, something like this, where you can just plug in your numbers. So say, like, you could just plug in your numbers with anything. So say the car costs like 100,000. Like, see how everything else just jumps? Now I need 640 daily inputs. I need 160 showed calls. And just say you increase this 35%. Boom. Bring this back down. You put every single thing, you literally put that to account. So your close rate, your showed rate, every single thing. Say your showed rate increased 60%. So you just need 200. This is very much doable. Just by increasing your show rate, the same, like, it reduces how much outreach you actually need. And how much you still need the same amount of clients, but the outreach, you don't need that. You don't need to be reaching out to 500 people, right? So, like, this is what I'm simply actually just doing. Literally, I'm doing this just to show you that, like, any goal that I have set in mind, any goal that you have set in mind, you could simply just do math. Like, you learned algebra, you learned all that stuff in school. So just put those numbers in, see what you need to do every single day. I always like to look at days. Don't do it months. How much do I need to be doing every month? It's gonna look a lot to you. It's gonna overwhelm you. So that's why I like to look at days. 200. I'm doing 100 calls today, like, every day. So it's 200 that I need to do. And that's if I'm charging every time 2,500, and that's if my close rate is this, and that's if my show rate is this. If my show rate even increases 70%, this goes down. So yes, 2026. Yeah, you're gonna see me rolling out in one of these, but it's simply because I just did math. Like, that was the only reason why I'm gonna have one of these. And when I have it, I'm gonna be in there and I'm gonna actually just watch this video, see the math, if the math actually, like, played out right. But yeah, this is all that I had for you guys in this video. But simply, if you're trying to get to a goal or whatever you're trying to get into, your monthly goals or whatever you're trying to do, simply have a calculator, something like this, where you can actually plug in your numbers and see what you need to do every single day to make it impossible not to reach your goal.